Hello, one quick cream pasta with only 5 ingredients. Let's do it. We need 200 grams pasta, 1 chicken breast dice, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 half cup heavy cream, 2 parmesan cheese. First, cook the pasta in salted boiling water until al dente, dry and set aside. Now, in a hot pan, cook the chicken until golden and juicy. It smells amazing already. Time to add fresh spinach. Let it wilt. Then pour in heavy cream and stir. Now, toss in the pasta, sprinkle parmesan, and give it a good mix. Look at the cream goodness. And just like that, in your ingredients, cream chicken pasta is ready to enjoy. Try it out and let me know in the comments. Bye bye.